Good early morning. Just a couple of hours past this spectacular, glowing, gorgeous sunrise here in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. Not a cloud in the sky. A few streamy, whispery cirrus clouds, but they have now appeared to, as I'm looking out, be burning off and are just hovering briefly on the eastern horizon. A pollen alert today. Anybody around my area, pollen alert. Sensitive subjects, pollen will be in the air today. So be on the lookout for that pollen. I like that. We're gonna go with that. Real quick look at these coins. That was the dollar index. Briefly, I think the dollar index, as I have a very busy day in Bloomington today, I have a lot of trucks coming in. So I have a lot of inventorying, a lot of marshaling of truck drivers, directing people that don't speak the English language. So these are going to be brief updates, but the dollar index, I think, is going to go test an all-time record low down here by the time Joe Biden leaves office. That's what I got going on right there. I think you're going to be down here. Way down there. Way down there by the time Joe Biden leaves, because he's a big printing press. He's a Keynesian. I'm an Austrian, right? Economic-wise. Dogecoin real quick. It's been a busy morning. I didn't get many updates out for you guys. I apologize. I'm extremely busy at work. If you would like coin requests, you can always request them with a small donation, and I can get it out real quick. I can prioritize it and just hop out of work outside for a quick smoke break for 3 minutes and upload a video. But remember, we diagnosed and sniffed out Doge for you Sunday night. I entered a position down here off of this pattern that I thought it was going to break out of, and it did. And then we targeted the 45 cent and put that red line there as an major upper resistance. And if you got up there with no volume, which you got some volume, but then the sell volume took over, and if you zoom out to the 2 hour, you can see that volume is still way to the downside. So it made sense that Doge would get rejected there. That's why this pattern right here, upper resistance, lower support, we thought could pop and then get rejected up here. That's why Sunday, you can watch those videos from then, and I put that target up there. I said that was major overhead resistance, and I said more than likely you would get rejected, come back down towards the moving averages, trade, and then eventually come back down here, because I think eventually Doge is coming down to 21 cents. That's why these targets are down there. I just keep moving this stuff over as the price action moves along, right? Major underneath, come on. Major underneath support. Move this shit along as the price action moves, right? Clean up the chart a little bit. Fuck, I just deleted something I wanted there. We'll put that line back after. But that's what we got going on in Doge. It's following according to plan. XRP is the same thing. On Labor Day, the start of the Labor Day weekend, back here, we drew that upper resistance and that lower support, and our track said we should start trading sideways for an extended period of time. And I think our tracks have got this nailed down. We've been playing it on the upper end of the track. That's why I modified and said, with our company and industry made famous drawing tool, I put that track, upper resistance, lower support, back here, and said this is how we were probably going to trade the next few days. Hold on, I have a truck driver coming over. Here you go, sir.
All right, then, man. Take care.
Have a good day.
All right, take care.
Yep, you too. And I said that was the most likely scenario that we trade in. Oops. Let's get the right one out. Of course. That was your most likely range that you would trade in for the next week, because I thought we would try to come up here because the track said it was going to be a little lower, but we've been playing the higher end of the track, and then it's going to come down, and then it's going to come down in a big way. But the track's holding firm, so I would think in XRP today, the volume's still trending down. You're going to trade down and be in this track for a few days, because you can see in that red track, It says it should be there, and it's been calling this beautifully. And this is an industry exclusive, the Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. This is just a snippet on part of the data that I implement into my industry-made, company-made, probability-based computer software system. And you can see it's ran it beautifully up here. It's running it beautifully. So it says we should trade sideways and then down and have a big down. And I think XRP, you're going to eventually come down here before you go here, right? Like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to fire off rapid pace updates today as in between trucks. Peace and love. I'm not a financial advisor.